Hi, I'm Fred Pierce, owner of ZZguitarworks and inventor and builder of the Bigsby Easy Mount systems and space bridges for Gibsons and Stratocasters and Telecasters, just about every Gibson made, and we have a vibrato assembly system for almost every guitar on the planet. So take a look. This is our #1 prototype Stratocaster. As you can see, to install our bridges, this bridge is our space bridge design with spaces in the back for the strings to go through on their way to the Bigsby, uninterrupted, and they're very strong. It's made out of 4130 chromoly steel. They replace the bridges that came on the Stratocasters with 6 screws. We only need 4, as you can see, just 2 on each side. They're slotted to align for a little side-to-side alignment and movement. The neat thing about them is, you take off the stock bridge and you gut the guitar. If you notice, there's no springs, there's no clamps, there's no weight bars, there's nothing in there. You can get rid of all that stuff. And something you can do in here that's pretty cool for some of you innovative folks is put a microphone in there and run yourself a separate circuit, and you got quite an interesting sounding guitar. Now, to put a Bigsby on a Stratocaster, never been done before. We make the products to do it, again with our space bridge. When you take everything off, use the 4 screws, you screw it on there, and make sure the ground wire is connected underneath of this. Okay, and that's all you have to do is put it on. I ship them without being grooved for string grooves. Groove your strings for your string rests where you like them, on the string spread that you prefer. Really easy to do. If you can't do it or don't feel comfortable with it, take it to Guitar Center or a good guitar tech somewhere. They'll put some string grooves in there for you. Make sure you polish the grooves. It's pretty simple to put on. The wings on the sides cover either left-handed or right-handed bridges that came off. We make these for left-handed and right-hand models. And they would cover the hole where the old vibrato bar came out of. So you can't see that there was anything other than this ever on the guitar. Now that that's on there, that makes our Easy Mount Bigsby system functional for the Stratocasters. I have a metal plate that holds the Bigsby B50 or B5, your choice. You give me a call, let me know which one you want, we'll put it on there for you. I installed a big USDA spacebar that we manufacture to upgrade the Bigsbys. Every Bigsby goes through our shop, is cleaned up, where they stay in tune and they function very smoothly. There's no binding on them. The interesting thing here is that this is held to the guitar with 1 screw. String tension holds it on and down on the face of the guitar. The bushing that's on there, leave it on there and screw it into the strap bar or the tail strap button screw hole. Now, here's a point. That needs to be in the dead center line of the guitar. So run a string down through here between the 2 center strings and over the edge of the guitar, and that should be dead center. It's not. It's time to fix it now and put it in the center. A lot of times you're going to find that that screw hole is not in the center, and that's going to give you a very unbalanced feel guitar. It'll be a big improvement to do it, just the way it's going to feel, and you needed to have it in the center to hold the Easy Mount system. The Easy Mount system comes with a little flexibility to it on where that holes lined up. If it's within that range right there, go ahead and just put it on, you'll be fine. If it's out of that range, center that hole. So now you've got the space bridge assembly in place. All you need to put this assembly together is 1 screwdriver. Just screw it into the existing screw hole that's there. Now I use a much bigger, heavier stainless steel high tension screw on there to hold everything together. Don't replace that. Keep that big screw in place. Just center it. Once it's centered, put the pressure on it. Now it's going to feel like it's a little bow here. Don't worry about that. When you string this instrument up, it's going to pull that down hard on the face of the guitar, and it's going to mount very strongly. Okay, and that's it. That's how to put a Bigsby vibrato system on a Stratocaster style guitar. It's like magic the way it sits on there. But it works because of my space bridge. So take a look at the how to string a Bigsby video we have out on YouTube, and it'll show you how to string them up, make it real easy. We've done hundreds of them, and how to stretch the strings and how to take care of this so it's going to stay in tune for a long time. It's not going to be like a conventional Bigsby. When you touch it, it's going to go out of tune. This beauty is going to stay in tune for you all night long, and maybe next week too. So when you put it in the guitar case, turn the bar all the way back around like that. Okay, before you string it up, you're going to have to put the spring in. Okay, always point the groove in the spring, Bigsby should learn this too, to the very back. That allows for a little bit lower action and gets rid of all the squeaks that are inherent to Bigsby's. Bigsby provides the bushing, a little nylon bushing, and I go ahead and give that to you, that they want you to put in there. And I don't like them because it makes the action of the bar up about a ½ inch higher. Nobody likes that, and it's not needed anyway. So don't use the bushing. Put the spring in with the V in the back, and that'll give you the lowest playing action. On all my models, that's exactly the same. So here you have the completed Stratocaster Bigsby assembly model, first one ever made. And they're quite nice. We just got them out on our website, so enjoy them. And send us some pictures of your guitars when you get them put on. Thank you very much. Okay.